Okay, in this video we are going to show you how to customize the look of your menu on your TV box. A lot of people don't realize we can do that, but you can actually go in there and change the colors and the appearance of your menu and how it displays on your screen. First thing we want to do is go into our menu. So I hit the menu button, which is located next to your guide button on your remote. And then I want to use the down arrow to scroll all the way down to where it says settings. And then I want to hit the OK button. Then I'm going to down arrow again to preferences and hit the OK button. And then down arrow one more time to where it says appearance and hit the OK button one more time as well. That gets us into our customizing menu basically. You'll notice the very first one says color schemes. We are currently set to Halloween, which is the black and orange colors that you're seeing there. If I hit the OK button here, it will scroll through the different color schemes that we have set up for our system. For example, if you want Templar red, that will display the red, black, and white for the Manti Templars. The next one down is your font size. If I down arrow to that, you'll notice the arrows pointing up and down will change to a yellow color. That means that they are active, and when you hit the OK button, it is going to change that option. So here I am on font. 16, 14, and 12 are the three different options for your font sizes. 16 is as large as it will go. If you want smaller, you can choose one of the other two options. Then you can also, if I hit the right arrow, that will activate that other arrow there. And that gives us the option to make it bold or just plain text. If I arrow down to the next one is GUI type. GUI stands for Graphic User Interface. That's basically the menus that you're seeing. There are two options there. One is Classic, which is the one we're set to now, or there is Ribbon, which displays all of your options going across the screen rather than up and down. Then you can also choose whether it's transparent or opaque. You can choose full screen graphics. If you turn that on, I'll show you that here in a second, but what that does is it puts a picture of what you're watching up in the upper left-hand corner. If you hit your guide button, you can still see what's playing while you're looking through your guide. The help bar displays some information down at the bottom. We do not recommend turning that on, as we have seen it slow down some of our boxes. But you can turn that on or off with this feature. And then we also have the mini EPG, and we'll talk a little bit more about that later. You can turn it on or off, yes or no. And then you can apply these settings to all of the set-top boxes in your house or just to this particular one. So for the example, I'm going to change this to Templar red. I'm going to make the fonts smaller but bold. I'm going to leave it at Classic for now. And I'm going to turn the full screen graphics on. And now when I apply that, you should see all those changes take effect. It takes it a couple of seconds to think about it. And then it should bring up your new color scheme for you. So that's the Manti Templar one, the red, white, and black. If I hit the guide button, you'll notice that the TV is still playing in the upper left-hand corner, and I can use my guide as normal. Okay, now I'm going to go in and show you what the ribbon menu type looks like. So I go back into menu, I go down to settings, go to preferences, appearance, and then if I change this from the GUI type from classic to ribbon and apply, it will now show me the ribbon style of menu, which you will see looks a little different. If I hit the menu button, it goes from side to side rather than up and down. It works the same way, it just looks a little different. And I will go back in and change it back to the classic so that you can see that again. Go to settings, preferences, all the way down to appearance. Go down to ribbon, change that to classic, apply that, and it will take us back to the classic style of menu. And that is really about it as far as customizing your menu. It's pretty simple, but it gives you some flexibility and some different options for how your menu looks. There are also some high contrast options in there. If you have trouble reading the black and white or one of these other custom menus, you can choose one that looks best to you. If you have any questions on that, give us a call at 835-2929. Thank you.